how to turn camera motion photo on or off on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the camera app. Once the camera has launched, if you want to turn the photo motion on or off, you tap on this motion button right here. And this will allow you to turn motion photo on or off. Now you can see here, once this button is on, it will go into a yellow color. That's to indicate we have now turned on motion photo. And it made that sound, can you hear it? It made that like a ding noise. And if you turn it off, then the shoot button will sound different. That is when motion photo is off. And that sound here, this sound is when motion photo is on. So it's kind of like a video recording noise. So if we go to the gallery now, and if we go in here, you can see this photo has motion photo on. And if we go into details, you can see this photos here has 6.3 megabytes. And if you go to the one without motion photo on, and if you go into details, you can see it's only 1.83 megabytes. So if you turn on motion photo, then the image size can increase quite significantly, up to 4 times. That is because in the photo, they also attach a small video clip. So let's take a look. You can see here, if I tap on view motion photo, you can see there is a small video clip attached to it. And if you keep taking all your photos with motion photo on, then you can quickly run out of space on your device. So be careful when you are using this feature. Make sure that you have enough space on your device. Otherwise, later, if you want to decide to get some more space back, you might have to delete some of the photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.